Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to try a get ready with me. I have never done this before, so bear with me and I hope it turns out really good. I also want to shout out to Beauty Bay. They are not sponsored, but I got their products and I am in love. Oh my god, y'all. So I just wanted to show you guys a few of these before I get started. I'm excited to try these out. So here is the Beauty Bay's powder blusher. Look at the packaging, it's so freaking cute, and this is a beauty blush. Oh, look at that. So it's way darker than what is showing up on camera. It's way darker. I also bought one of their palettes to try it out. I seen another YouTuber reviewing their products, and her makeup turned out gorge. So I was like, I need to try that. Look at that, isn't that cute? Now these look way more pigmented than it is showing on camera. Here, let me see. There we go. Now you can see that. Alright, so we also have their highlighter. And I will try to list the names of all these below because it doesn't necessarily show it right now. Let me turn my light off again. Let's see if that works. There you go. Okay, yeah, so that's the highlighter. I also got a bronzer from them. How do they do it? There we go. That's a bronzer. So I got this eyebrow pencil. I got this in a dark brown, and then I got another one I think in the dark brown. I'm sorry, these are not by Beauty Bay. But if you go to beautybay.com, they sell all kind of other products. So no, this is not part of their collection. Started, guys, y'all bear with me again. This is my first get ready with me. Hopefully I'll be doing more of these in the future. Let me know in the comments below if you liked it, and I will talk to you guys later.